Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Vacay here. This video is going to be covering how to install clip-in hair extensions, a step-by-step video guide. So if you're new here and unsure about clip-in extensions, they're the perfect hairstyle for anyone who's looking for a quick way to add length and volume to their hair. What's even better is when clipping in hair extensions, it might be the easiest thing you'll learn. Okay, we're going to start with sectioning your hair properly. You're first going to start at the bottom section. Part your hair horizontally from left to right or from right to left. A good rule of thumb is parting from ear to ear. Then you're going to section your hair depending on the style you desire. You'll be wearing a side part, a middle part, a half up and down, a ponytail. Okay, you want to measure which clip should be installed first by measuring the length of the clip-in compared to your head. For example, for each clip-in extension, they usually range from 2 to 3 combs per clip. So determine which clip should be installed first, second, and so forth. Practice combing and closing the clip before attaching to your hair. Once you're ready, gently lift the hair and insert the comb of the clip closely to the part. Snap the clip closed and check to ensure that it's securely attached. Repeat the steps 1 and 2, working your way upwards with the about inch in between each clip extensions. If you're installing more than 12 pieces, you might need smaller parts in between each clip depending on your desired style of choice. And then we're just going to repeat those steps until we have all the clip-ins placed.
The skin of the video. More than a woman. Okay, that's the video. Only thing I'm missing is that.
Okay, finally, blending the clip-in extensions with your natural hair. The key to a perfect blend is the hair texture you choose from the beginning. So think about if you want to wear your hair naturally curly or blown out or sleek most of the time. So choose the best hair color that fits your hair as well. For proper maintenance of your clip-in extensions, as with any human hair extensions, you should care and maintain the hair as you would your natural hair. So you want to use gentle sulfate-free shampoos and moisturizing conditioners to maintain the quality of the hair extensions. And there we have it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, press that like button, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye-bye.